Welcome back. So today I have the Harbor Freight deal again that's going through the weekend. I have the fine print, so we'll read through the fine print. And then for the at least the second deal, the 30% off any single item, I have a variety of options that you could do because it's kind of a specific coupon. It doesn't seem that great, but if you're there to use the 15%, there are some interesting items that you could get that are under $10 and get 30% off. So we'll jump right in. Let's just do a little bit of zoom in here. So 15% off. It's considered super coupons. Any single item, January 10th through the 12th this weekend. One coupon per customer per day. Valid in-store, online, and on in-stock items only. So it's valid online as well. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. Save 15% on any single item purchased. Coupon cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, or gift cards. Can be combined with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC, no cash credit back. And that's essentially going to be the same thing over here for the 30% off any single item under $10. Limit one coupon per customer per day. Valid in store, online, and on in-stock items only. 30% discount only valid with one single item. Price $9.99 or less before tax if applicable. Discount cannot be used with any of the following: ITC memberships, extended service plans, open box items, or gift card. Non-transferable, cannot be combined with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC. Original coupon must be presented. So 15% off any single item, which is really good for some of the big, heavy hitter items that don't get go on sale too often. But the 30% coupon for any single item under $10, any single item. I'm going to give you some options. So if you're at Harbor Freight this weekend, you can find some these 30% off is nothing to kind of look a side eye to. So we have these are going to hopefully mostly maximize your 30% off. You'll get $3 off these items that are $9.99. So I have these Pittsburgh 20-degree offset and 45-degree angle long reach pliers, 2-piece. Pretty nice. We won't go price history, but they're $9.99. Pittsburgh 9-inch aluminum solid aluminum level. Okay, pretty nice. We're just gonna fly through these. The Pittsburgh 1/2-inch. Am I zoomed in still? Let's zoom out a little bit. The Pittsburgh 1/2-inch impact socket extension set, 4-piece, $9.99. These are all mostly gonna be $9.99. The Pittsburgh pick and hook set for 7 pieces, $9.99. We have another level. This is the 24-inch box frame level, $9.99. The 8-inch self-adjusting wire stripper, $9.99. So you get $3 off for these. Again, 30% off. Super nice wire strippers. A composite digital caliper. Calipers are pretty handy to have. Every once in a while you'll need to measure something, maybe for tolerances, maybe just for fun. $9.99. You'd get it for $7, so $3 off. Another Pittsburgh. This is the 48-inch I-beam level. Some bolt cutters that are $9.99. 12-inch Pittsburgh. We have the Hercules impact rated number 2 Phillips 2-inch insert bits, 5 pieces is $6.99. So this one you'd only save about $2.10, but you'd get it for $4-ish, which is, to be honest, kind of nice. Not the biggest savings, but some items that if you need, you can at least get a 30% discount. Hercules 3/16 impact rated hex shank titanium drills. Now there was a few drills, a lot of drill bit sets actually, that are between like the $7 and $10 range. I have a couple here that I've pointed out, but if you need some drill bits, there's going to be quite a few options that you can get 30% off, especially if you need them. So 30% off of anything is always really good, even if it's less than $10. Still a good time to try to get some savings. Hercules impact rated hex shank socket driver set. This is the 3-piece. This is a little bit different than this one. Which one is this? Number 2. And yeah, these are the hex shank, $8.99. So almost saving $3. Some more of the Hercules 1/4-inch impact rated hex shank titanium drill bit set, just as different options. This is the Hercules 3-inch impact rated magnetic quick release bit holder. So if you need a nice bit holder, $9, but you'll get $2.70 off. So you get it for about almost just over $5. So pretty decent deal. Doyle, some 8-inch bolt and wire cutters for $6.99. That's already a great deal compared to Tekton. $6.99, you'll save about $2.10. So you'd get these for about $4.80. Some 8-inch bolt and wire cutters. It's like right there. It's like, oh yeah, you know what? I would go in to get $4 set of bolt cutters. These Quinn shears, there's a couple shears, but these 11-inch shop shears, $7.99. You get them on sale for 30% off. So here you're saving $2.40. Here's the job site offset scissors. These are $9.99, so you're saving almost the full $3 here. Basically, you're saving $3. So you're getting these for $6.99. So even though it's not the biggest savings, again, 30% off, you're still saving a good chunk. Doyle Professional Wire Stripper Cutters at $9.99. 30% off, saving the $3. Doyle, I'm a big fan of. Here we have the 1,000-volt insulated screwdrivers, 3-piece, $9.99. Doyle. Some Doyle 8-inch high-performance groove joint pliers, $9.99. But of course, you'll get the $3 off. Go through a few more here. Doyle 7-inch professional rafter square, $10.99. I put this one in here, so this one wouldn't qualify. Oh, dang it. I shouldn't have put this one in here. But if you're an ITC member, you get 27% off. So this is in here right now. Probably edit this out. Pittsburgh 16-inch long reach demolition screwdriver set, 2-piece, $8.99. The Pittsburgh Pro Universal SAE combination wrench set, 7-piece, $9.97. This is a clearance item, unavailable here at one of the stores near me. But if it's available in your area, this is a nice set, $9.97. Although they were giving away some free Pittsburgh ones, but these are the Pittsburgh Pro series. Gordon 2.9-inch drop point pocket knife, $9.99 for a pocket knife. You're saving $3 on this. Kind of looks like the Icon knife. It's just a lot less expensive. Some Pittsburgh Torx offset T-handle hex key set 6-piece, $9.99. Some more Doyle Professional Flip utility knife, $9.99. Get $3 off. Would be a great choice. This Gordon magnetic flexible pickup tool with LED light, $9.99. Pittsburgh Pro 21-ounce fiberglass framing hammer, $9.99. I feel like when I first saw the deal come out for 30% off, anything under $10, I was a little bit disappointed. But seeing how many things are exactly $9.99 and getting 30% off of those, some of the things that are kind of cool, like getting, if you need a hammer for $9.99, like you could put together a decent little tool set. I know it's limit 1 per coupon, but I mean most Harbor Freights are pretty friendly. I don't think there's a way for them to be like, oh, you can't go to multiple stores unless you don't have multiple stores near you. But you can at least go to each Harbor Freight at least each day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you don't see this, or you haven't gone today, you go Saturday, Sunday. Take advantage of at least 2 of the days you can go, but I'll keep going. Pittsburgh 1/4-inch composite quick release ratchet, $9.99. Little comfort grip. This Pittsburgh SAE T-handle hex set, 10-piece with a little carrying stand for $6.99. That feels really good. Save $2.10. Magnetic pickup tool. This is $6.99, so save again $2.10, but that's kind of nice. This SAE Pittsburgh and metric folding hex key set, 2 pieces, $6.99. Pittsburgh wire and cable stripper, $7.97 on clearance. So this is clearance, little wire stripper. This one you're saving what, about $2.40. Pittsburgh cushion grip screwdriver set, 12-piece, $7.99. That's your, again, $2.40 off. Socket tray organizers, SAE 3-piece, probably have the metric. Pittsburgh, this one does have an instant savings, which you can't combine it with, cannot, but the 30% off any single item you can, so it'll give you even more savings than this instant savings, so you'll get it for $6.99. And we'll just do a few more. This Pittsburgh 3/8-inch drive SAE metric spark plug socket set, a spark plug socket set for $8, getting $2.40 off, so you get it for about, what is that, $6.50 for a spark plug socket set? Yes, excellent. This 2-pound neon orange dead blow hammer for $8.99. Excellent. You'll get, what is that, $2.70 off for $6. This clearance Pittsburgh digital mini moisture meter, $9.97. Save essentially the $3 off for this moisture meter. Could be handy. Pittsburgh 32-ounce ball peen hammer for $9.99, saving essentially the $3 completely there. Pittsburgh screwdriver set, 8-piece, $9.99. And then the last couple, this Pittsburgh leather punch tool. This is a new lower price, so new lower price, I don't believe is a discount. Don't quote me on that, but it's just a new lower price. So $6.99, you'll save the 30% off of that, which is $2.10 for this Pittsburgh leather punch tool. And then the last one that I have is this Berger 8-inch MIG welding pliers, $9.99. Again, this is a new lower price, so you'll save the full $3 on these. So hopefully that gives you some decent ideas if you're in Harbor Freight this weekend for items to be able to pick up that are $10 or less and maximize your 30% off with the 15% off item that you're going to get, obviously on any item. Again, I hope that was helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing, and as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.